Hello everyone and welcome to Stitching Ain't Easy. My name is Ashley. Thank you so very much for joining me today. If you guys have been here before, why thank you. If you're new, hello, why thank you. Okay, so today is a super fun, exciting announcement. So I'm wearing my Halloween shirt for obvious reasons. Okay, so I said like a week ago or something, today is Thursday. I think it's the 23rd. Don't quote me. I'm pretty sure it's Thursday. Anyway, I guess I could look. I mean, do we really care, Yep, it is. It's Thursday, the 23rd. Why, thank you. Anyway, should have known that. We are having shul today, aka school, to the rest of the world, but here we call it shul, because we like Mega Mind and stuff. And so anyway, that's today, but I need to get this announcement out because, just because. So, for the announcement, I'm gonna have to keep it cool, and I don't know if I can keep it cool because I'm really excited. Okay, so didn't know if you guys knew this. Kind of partial to Halloween. It's kind of a real fun time. I've mentioned before that normally right now my whole entire house would be decked out to the nines in Halloween things. We were just talking about the day before yesterday that we probably should go ahead and do that because it's weird not having the whole bathroom all decked out and the kitchen and the living room down the hallway, all the spooky things. It's weird not having it. So anyway, so we discussed possibly just doing that just because. But so we have a little bit of Halloween here, and I have one Halloween decoration. It's a black pumpkin with a raven on top, and it says blank days until Halloween, little chalkboard thing. It's a big huge pumpkin. I'll have to show you guys sometime. Anyway, all that to say that I love Halloween, and so does my sweet, beautiful, darling, phenomenal, huge heart, loving soul of a friend, Miss Neva from Manic Mama Musings. Just so happens she also likes spooky, scary skeletons and all things Halloween based. So, okay. She likes pumpkin spice. It's the one thing I can't agree on. Otherwise, okay, so I had to throw that in there. Don't understand the pumpkin spice phenomenon. She's real into it. That's awesome. Okay, so what we're doing, get on with it, am I right? What we're doing is something really fun for the month of October. I'm not going to tell you exactly what, just because I still want it to be, we still want it to be a fun surprise at the end of the day. But we thought maybe some of you would like to join, because we did a family surprise blanket. She did a date night / snuggle blanket, for movies and stuff, with her husband, and like I said, we did the one with the heart in the middle and that whole thing. So we thought it would be really fun to do that again. We have some more surprises in store, but while we were doing that, we had a few people that either joined in, or the first time I did the family surprise blanket with Miss Angelia at Crocheting House Mouse. Both of those ladies will be linked below, obviously. I mean, come on. Anyway, whenever we did it the first time, there were a bunch of people that ended up making the blanket with the heart and the whole thing, and that's so cool. And so we thought that we would give you guys a fair shot to join in on the fun. So we're not doing a heart this time because it's Halloween, spooky season and stuff. So this time, tutorial will be linked below. We're going to do this a spider web, and mine is kind of wonky, but we're gonna ignore it. We're just gonna see if it works. What do you say? I thought about redoing it. I don't know what happened. Anyway, this is it. But this is going to be the center of our blanket. It's a lady, she has a written tutorial, or a written pattern, but then she also has a tutorial here on YouTube. And it's one of like the 365 days of Granny Square. You guys have probably seen it, I don't know. But yeah, this is the back of it. And so it kind of has like this neat little thingy, and then this is the front. Tis a spider web. And it's honestly easy. It's just, I don't know what I did. Like, whenever it came to attaching this part, I kind of ran out of stitches, and so I just kind of tried to make it work. And so I hope it's not all wonky. I've thought about making another one, but just try to keep it real Rhonda with y'all, so that's what happened. So, I don't know. This guy. But anyway. So yeah, it was a really simple tutorial. I don't know what I did. And my stitch count like matched up with hers whenever she was, I don't know. Anyway, yeah, I will link the tutorial below. But we're going to use this, like I said, as a center for like the 9th time this video. And we're going to make a blanket. Once again, we'll get our own chicken nuggets. Don't you worry about how. We're getting scrap balls from somewhere. I don't know where, Anyway, and we're going to add them and make a blanket. But we thought that this way, if you guys would like to, you can join in on the fun and make it along with us. And so this way, so today is the 23rd. You still have a few days until the 1st. We're going to do this the 1st all the way until obviously Halloween, So yeah, 'tis the square. 'Tis the season to be spooky, So, alright, I really don't have anything else to say. I just keep holding the square up and repeating myself. Yeah, October's gonna be pretty fun. I'm really excited. Really excited. I have some fun things to show you guys. I haven't really done a whole lot of like crochet ramblings and things lately because I've been working on Halloween things, and no one likes a spoiler, so I'm waiting. Trying to, anyway. So I'm glad that I don't have very much longer, and I'll be able to show you guys some of the goodies. Although also, I need to get to work because I don't have very much longer, so it's this whole thing. Anyway. But yes, we would love for you to join us if you would like to. Miss Neva and myself. And if you guys, want to join in and have your blanket or whatever you're working on showcase, you could email us pictures and all that or whatever. We can put them at the end of our video. Neva has the Facebook, and she also has Instagram. This is my only social media. Sometimes it's a lot. Like, I used to have Facebook, and then nope. Couldn't do it anymore. So yeah. Anywho, all that to say, if you guys would like to join, we would love for you to. Alright, so I thank you guys so very much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderfully blessed day. Please join in if you would like to, and stay safe, and I will talk to you guys soon.